Welcome! Today we'll solve an exponential equation using logarithms. Let's solve for it in the equation 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 60. First, let's combine like terms. We have two identical terms of 5 to the power of a, so this is the same as 2 times 5 to the power of a equals 60. Next, we'll divide both sides by 2 to isolate 5 to the power of a. To solve for a, we'll take the logarithm of both sides. We can use any base for the logarithm, but it's convenient to use base 5, since our equation has 5 to a power. Using the logarithm property that log of a power equals the power times the log, the left side simplifies to just a. Now, 30 equals 2 times 3 times 5. Using the properties of logarithms, we can break this down. Let's verify our answer by plugging it back into the original equation. If we substitute a equals log base 5 of 2 plus log base 5 of 3 plus 1 into the original equation, we should get 60. Using the properties of exponents, 5 to the power of log base 5 of 2 equals 2, and 5 to the power of log base 5 of 3 equals 3. 5 to the power of 1 is just 5. So this simplifies to 2 times 3 times 5 plus 2 times 3 times 5, which equals 30 plus 30, or 60. Therefore, we have verified that it equals log base 5 of 2 plus log base 5 of 3 plus 1 is the correct solution to our equation.